Hi guys, so we're much more up close and personal right now just because I wanted to share to you Mother's Day gift ideas or any gift ideas for women that you want to share and gift to. And it's actually the perfect season because like I said, Mother's Day is coming and jewelry has been the theme of this season, probably because we want to add a bit more, but just subtle or dainty stuff that's not really gonna accumulate a lot of spaces in our wardrobe or in our home. And mothers really like organizing, like making sure everything's presentable. Why not add a bit more presentability to, I don't like this term, but to add more elegance to also your mom, to a mother, because we we as moms really try to make sure that everything looks good as much as possible, everything is organized, everything is decent. So why not add a little bit of flair to your mom, to a mother, and it's like the perfect gift. And jewelry is the best. And any jewelry fits any girl, any woman. Girls always like jewelry. I mean, that's like not an issue because any girl has a different preference in jewelry. So that's what you have to make sure to learn about your mom. Make sure to know what they really like to wear. If they're more of a ring girl, if they're more of a necklace girl, an earring girl, or a bracelet girl. And that's what I'm here to share to you guys. More affordable luxury options that are perfect. They're beautiful jewelries that are dainty. They're just beautiful and subtle, and it's just a great gift, and a lot of them are actually stainless, so I really recommend that. Because if you're a mom, you're a person who doesn't really want to overthink anymore with your jewelry because you're a go-to person, or you have a lot of things already on your mind and you don't want to really worry about taking care of your jewelry. These are the jewelries I would recommend, and I really enjoy them because I do wear them a lot. So let's start with this one's the easiest. It's pearls. Pearls are the best gift because if a if a mom or if a woman doesn't really want to wear this all the time, then they can wear it on a special occasion, on an event, or their birthday, or like I said, Mother's Day or Christmas. It's like the perfect accessory, and I have a couple of pearl designs and pearl accessories that I really wanted to share. The first one I'm wearing right now, which is this beautiful dangly pearl earrings, but hold the thought on these. This is from Iceblue Jewelry. I love their shop. I love their accessories and their selection. And these are beautiful pearls. And this is a two-in-one earrings because this one could be just the stud. It has another lock that's just for a stud pearl, a small dainty dark stud pearl. And then the other one is just the dangly one that you're gonna attach to the stud, and it's just beautiful because as you can see, it's not overwhelming, especially right now because you can't really see it as much, but look at that. It's just beautiful, it's elegant, it's subtle. It actually looks good with what I'm wearing right now, which I'm actually enjoying wearing, like fresh white colors, because here also it's very hot, so I just want something much more relaxing. So this is just like the perfect accessory, although I don't always wear dangling earrings every day because I do have a hyper daughter that's been, on her curious stage. So having a dangling earrings while I'm at home is not going to be practical because I can pull it. But this is what I mean about something that's a bit more dressy on special occasions, something that they can accessorize that's simple, subtle, and not overwhelming. Because when you wear this, it's just dainty and just mini pearls that are dangling right there. And if you want one more dainty idea that's still subtle, I love this necklace pendant because it reminds me of like me and my daughter. Because for me, I guess pearls are mothers are like pearls. They're very unique. All of them have different layers of what they've gone through, different ways on how they were formed. So I think pearls are perfect. And with the diamond, so I'm talking about this necklace right here. So it has a little bar, but this is also stainless, and then of course it's gold plated, and it has a pearl and a little diamond, and the diamond is like your daughter or your child that's been born, and it's just unique. And it's also diamonds are like they've gone different cuts. They have to be formed. And that's how a diamond is for me, like a child that you really have to form and mold together. So it's kind of a nice Mother's Day gift because for moms, they're the pearl and then their kid is the diamond. But yes, this is like a very beautiful one. My favorite pendants that I've been enjoying wearing more right now. And I just add a layer of this one. I will link all the accessories that I have down below in the description box, okay? So don't worry about that. With this one, I just layered it with this band gold stainless but gold plated necklace. This one is very, very beautiful. Just a nice bar there. It's just simple, subtle, and it's not overwhelming to wear with the with the beautiful pendant here. And that's what I mean also about necklaces. Some unique pendants on necklace and some necklaces that really speaks to your mother or what type of mother do you have, because there's so many in the links that I'm going to send to you guys. There's so many different and unique designs of pendants that will work with any of your mothers who what they prefer, or soon to be mothers also. That would be a nice gift as well. So I have this beautiful pearl necklace here if you want a bit more excessive, although I'll just try to wear it now. So this is the longer, I think this is the longer one. So it's just a very simple necklace, as you can see. It's just a beautiful pearl with strings and a little bit of stud gold ball here in the middle of each, and they're just elegant. I think this one is from Mollyac as well. I love their accessories as well. I do like experimenting on different brands. I would love to collaborate with almost all of them because I have like different ideas to how their designs are, but although I think they're all just like mass produced on one production or from one source, but that doesn't bother me. But yes, this one is so elegant. It's so simple. You could use this every day. I think with just my vibe right now, I think this will be too much for an everyday for me. So this is the beautiful design of the necklace. So there's pearls and there's also like little gold studs, little gold balls, and it's just so dainty. I think there's also a silver option of this, the stainless in silver form. So you can have that also if you're more of the stainless or the silver version rather than the gold. But I think this really adds elegance to it. Plus, if this gold actually kind of like blends with your skin tone, whether you're fair or maybe a bit more on a tan skin, it's still going to look elegant because it's like you have floating pearls on your neck and it just looks so dainty and elegant. So I would suggest that. And also, it's nice to elevate an outfit. I love these two in one also is these ones. These are my pearl earrings. There also could be I think I mentioned this also before. So you could also remove the pearl and it could be a stud. So I mean like a hoop earring. So this one is very beautiful and very elegant because it's a two-in-one and it's not gonna break the bank. All of this is not gonna break your bank. These are affordable and they're stainless, so it's not going to be sensitive to people who have really sensitive skin. That's me. I get rashes if I don't have either a real gold or real silver or stainless earrings. And in stainless, it's much more easy to take care of because you can take a bath and then it's not going to tarnish. So I really enjoy that. That's why I love wearing stainless accessories more. Plus, it's not as heavy on the eyes or hot on the eyes for those who plan on robbing you. So that's kind of my issue. That's mainly me being practical with a lot of things because I did experience that before. Plus, I did experience it with wearing only stainless necklace and they still sold for me thinking probably that it's real gold, but it's literally could just buy it from Divisoria or Quiapo. But now you have Shopee, so I can link them down in the description box down below. You could also do the day-to-day hoop earrings only, so it's really nice for any of the moms that you have out there. Now let's continue with earrings. One more favorite earrings that I have, and this one is very much copying. I kind of forgot if it's Cartier or Tiffany that has this. It's this earring right here. So it's like the oval chain earring. It's very elegant also. And this one could be for everyday as well. And it's also stainless. Now, if those people who are more subtle or a bit more Catholic, just like me and a lot of my family, I actually found this. I'm not actually sure if I could still find where I got this because I think before like they're out of stock. So this wasn't available on the shop anymore, but it's scapular. With all those Catholics, you know what a scapular is. It's so beautiful and dainty, and it's long enough that you can hide it. You can just have a peekaboo moment at the back. So you can just wear it like that. So it's just very subtle and simple. It's not too long and not too short. That's going to see, especially if you want something just more like show peeking the chain outside of your outfit. So this one I really love. That's why I just don't wear it all the time right now. It's just because I do like my simple stack at the moment because my hair is already, a standout. So I want something a little more subtle. And then let's go finally to the bracelet. One that I love the most, or actually two of them that I love the most, is actually this bangle that's like the Cartier Love Bracelet. And this is from Gryu.ph. I will also link it down. And this one is from Athena and Co. It's a tennis bracelet. I love a tennis bracelet. It was been a while since I tried to find a really, really nice tennis bracelet. And with Athena and Co., they have different sizing right now, and they have a couple of color options if you don't want the simple white diamond design. I think they have turquoise, which is so beautiful. I actually gifted it to one of my family members, and it's so elegant and very easy to upgrade. Plus, also with the whole stack of it, a tennis bracelet is a nice stack on any of your bracelet because it's subtle. It's also very fresh and elegant to look at, and it's good for a day to day if you don't want to remove it. And speaking of not removing something, I'm a person who loves rings ever since I'm a ring girl. You could really say that I'm more of a ring girl than a necklace girl or an earring girl. Actually, I'd probably be both the earrings and the ring just because I love wearing rings. Honestly, nowadays it's just kind of harder because my daughter loves rings too. Like she gets caught up with seeing a lot of my rings. That's why I tend to just not wear them all the time, especially in the house because she tries to get it and then sometimes she loses some. Like one, she actually lost my wedding rings, my wedding band, and I don't know how we're gonna get it because we're not sure where she inserted in one of the cabinets. So that one is very difficult, but I will try to find it still. But so far right now, I'm fine with it because I've been wearing this one. I got this and it's so beautiful. I think I mentioned a story about this that I got robbed. My engagement ring was robbed, so I am very, very scared to wear real rings at the moment. So right now I'm kind of happy of just playing around with different kind of rings. So this is what I'm wearing right now. And it's also a nice gift if you want to give to your mom if she likes accessories and if she just likes to go all out and about. These are really, really nice ones. I will suggest and also link down below a few of the rings that I enjoy. I don't think these are stainless. I'm not sure on that, but they're really nice, dainty pieces that are nice to play around. And that's about it with the whole accessories as gift ideas for your mom this Mother's Day. It's like the perfect gift for anyone. Honestly, any female would love to have this, and it's just less maintenance, especially if you're on a budget and you can't really splurge as much, or you're just gonna gift to a friend. These are really, really great affordable ones, and they're also stainless, so it's not gonna be tarnished, and it's a wonderful thought to have gift them some jewelry because they're unique and special as well. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this helps you guys, and go check them out now before Mother's Day arrives. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!